Immobiliser fit, and this is a 2019 Range Rover Velar, protected with Ghost 2 Immobiliser. So if a thief got this key, done a relay attack and went to steal the vehicle, the ignition's going to power up, but the vehicle's just not going to start up. As you see, vehicle's not starting, they're unable to drive it. So what the customer's got to do, keep their foot off the brake, turn the ignition on, pop their code in. For now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a double flash from the indicators, and now foot on the brake, we can start the vehicle and it fires into life. They're taking it for a service. First they'll prove it's them, get the vehicle started, then they'll press the cancel button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes. Now this is a normal vehicle, so when it goes back to Range Rover, just hand them the key. It's going to start up, no code needed. Just a normal vehicle, the Ghost is deactivated. Obviously when you get it home, you want to turn the system back on. What you'll do, pop your code in, get your double flash, and the system is now back on and your vehicle's secure. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Range Rover Velar with a Ghost 2. Thanks for watching.